Have you considered the profound ethical implications of artificial intelligence in warfare? Let's delve into this unsettling reality. Lately, the alarming assimilation of AI in warfare scenarios is no longer a topic of fiction. AI, with its self-guided drones and advanced surveillance systems, is revolutionizing the battlefield, often with worrisome implications. But the conversation isn't just about machinery. It extends to the unanticipated area of data analysis and target selection in warfare. This brings our attention to the Gospel program, developed by Unit 8200, the elite intelligence unit of the Israeli Defense Forces. This sophisticated AI system analyzes vast amounts of information in real time, actively suggests potential targets to military analysts. Though humans ultimately decide, the idea of a machine recommending targets, possibly human lives, in a war zone, raises serious ethical and legal issues. These include potential breaches of international human rights law, issues of accountability, possible errors in the AI algorithms, and the broader philosophical debate about machines making life-or-death decisions. The technology may be impressive, but the implications have sparked intense debate and concern. The IDF claims Gospel has a noble purpose: to safeguard innocent lives during operations. As a sophisticated AI system, Gospel is designed to analyze colossal amounts of data, from satellite imagery and social media activity to communication intercepts, all in real time. It's a digital hound, sniffing out potential targets and presenting them to military analysts who make the final call on engagement. The IDF argues that Gospel's precision and speed significantly improve target accuracy, thereby reducing the risk of collateral damage. They point to statistics showing a notable decrease in civilian casualties during operations where Gospel was in play. It's almost as if Gospel has given the IDF a surgical strike capability, allowing them to cut out the enemy with minimal damage to the surrounding tissue. But as with any revolutionary technology, Gospel has its critics. Gospel's critics raise concerns that go far beyond technical glitches. They question the moral implications and potential risks of handing over life-or-death decisions to machines. Ethical concerns are at the forefront of this debate, as critics argue that the accountability of AI systems in warfare is unclear, especially in complex and dynamic situations where the room for error is vast. Take Lucy Schumann, an anthropologist at Lancaster University in the UK, for example. She asks, if artificial intelligence is working, how do the Israeli forces explain the massive damage? This sentiment echoes the concerns of many who question the effectiveness and accuracy of Gospel. Experts in the field of AI and warfare also express doubts about Gospel's functionality. They argue that AI algorithms, no matter how sophisticated, are prone to errors and biases. This could potentially lead to misidentification and unintentional harm to civilians. The opacity of the program's algorithms further fuels these concerns, as it leaves room for speculation and doubt. The lack of transparency surrounding Gospel's operations and decision-making process is another major point of contention. Critics demand more information from the Israeli Defense Forces regarding the program's inner workings, the sources of its data, and the safeguards put in place to prevent bias and misuse. They argue that without this transparency, it is impossible to hold the program and its operators accountable for any harm caused. These concerns underscore the need for ongoing scrutiny of Gospel and other AI applications in warfare. It's critical to continue questioning and examining these tools to ensure they are used responsibly and ethically. The debate surrounding Gospel is far from over, and it's a conversation that the world needs to have as we move further into the era of AI-assisted warfare. Despite the controversies, the IDF is forging ahead with Gospel, signaling a future where AI plays an even larger role in warfare. Indeed, the IDF's continued development and expansion of Gospel's capabilities underscore its belief in the strategic value of AI-enhanced battlefield intelligence and decision-making. Yet it's not just Israel. The use of AI in warfare is a global trend, with other nations also exploring the potential of autonomous weapons and intelligence systems. This raises the stakes as international norms and regulations for AI in warfare remain largely undefined. The ethical and practical concerns surrounding Gospel and similar AI programs are far from resolved. Experts continue to debate the accuracy of AI algorithms in identifying human targets and the ethical implications of delegating life-or-death decisions to machines. Moreover, the lack of transparency surrounding these programs fuels concerns about accountability and potential misuse. Critics argue for greater openness about the algorithms, data sources, and safeguards against bias and misuse in these AI systems. The future of AI in warfare is here, and Gospel is a part of it. But as the technology evolves, so too must our understanding and regulation of it. As we move into this future, it is crucial for all of us to stay informed and engaged in the debate over AI in warfare. As we wrap up our discussion on gospel and the role of AI in warfare, it's clear that this is a complex, contentious issue. The intersection of technology and warfare, while promising in terms of efficiency and precision, does not come without its moral and ethical dilemmas. The debate is far from over, and it needs your voice. The advent of AI in warfare isn't a distant, abstract concept. It's happening right now. And it's crucial that we, as global citizens, continue to educate ourselves about these developments. Keep digging deeper. Read widely from sources with varying perspectives. Engage in discussions, online and in person. Question the narratives you're presented with, and don't shy away from the tough questions. The ethical implications of AI in warfare are vast and nuanced. Can machines be accountable for life and death decisions? How transparent should the process be? What safeguards are in place to prevent misuse? These are questions we all need to grapple with. Remember, the future of warfare could be shaped not just by armies and governments, but by informed citizens like you. So, stay engaged, stay informed, and keep asking the tough questions.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.